What's up, YouTube? This your boy, AE64, Harris in the middle. Just got back in here, but check it out. May have found the last vacuum leak right here. Look at that. See this hose? This hose right here was snapped and dry rotted. But you can't tell because it was hiding in a good little conspicuous space. So, yeah, once again, YouTube, I'm back to it. And what I didn't know is that this throttle body, when I took this hose off, oh my God, antifreeze went every damn way. Yeah, but look at it, man. It was dry rotted. Sitting back there, man, it's crumbled all up. All this stuff, man, just crumbled up. Look at it. So it was holes in that and it was shredding. Hopefully that take care of the vacuum leak problem. Now YouTube might have another problem. You know, so the antifreeze got everywhere in there. Once I let it run for a while, might take a couple of minutes for everything to dry off. But I might just put a little water in there to get that stuff out circulated. I had a towel under, so it should be good. But man, I got that antifreeze all over the ground. But that's just water from me rinsing the car and rinsing my garage floor. Once again, YouTube, it's your boy. I'll get back with you once I let her start running and know if I got this stuff fixed, man. Like, share, subscribe. Till we meet again, YouTube, I'm out.